Hello everyone, welcome back to MediLifeCare systems. So today we are going to demonstrate IASTM tool imported set, which is set of 6 piece. So this comes in briefcase, as you can see. So this is completely imported model. To open this, simply make it up and then open it like this. Then this is the tool set which you will get with the briefcase. So there is total 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, total 6 IASTM tools, which is very durable and heavy quality, and the finishing of the equipment is very good, also very good, and the weight of the tools also standard and heavy quality. This is the longest tool which you will get with the in the box, and total 6 tools you will get like this. So this is the complete set of 6-piece IASTM tool set. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.